Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to recite a famous poem by William Shakespeare, the great playwright. The poem is actually a song sung by a character, Amiens, in the play As You Like It. In this song, Amiens comments on how human insolence and lack of appreciation is more bitter than the harsh winter wind. So here I go. The poem is: Blow, blow thy winter wind. Blow, blow thy winter wind. Thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen because thou art not seen. Although thy breath be rude, hey ho, sing unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hey ho, the holly, this life is most jolly. Freeze, freeze thou bitter sky, that doth not bite so nigh. As benefits forgot, though thou the waters warp, thy sting is not so sharp, as friend remembered not. Hi ho, sing hi ho, unto the green holly. Thank you.